I drive a 550 horsepower BMW. That costs me more per month than most people's rent. I work at the airport throwing bags. If that sounds crazy to you, then stick around, because I'm about to break down exactly how this works, why I'm starting this channel, and how we're going to make it work together. What's up everyone, my name is Ray and welcome to Ray's Garage NYC, the channel where expensive taste meets the working class reality. Now before we get into this car next to me, let me tell you exactly who I am and why I'm qualified to talk about this stuff. Alright, so I'm 33 years old, I live in New York City, best city in the world, city that never sleeps, and I work 3 jobs to make my automotive dreams come true. So at night, I work at JetBlue as a ramp agent or baggage handler, however you call it, however you know it. I throw bags, I pack planes during the day, and on the weekends, I run my own auto detailing business. And then on the weekends, especially on Sundays, I play piano. So I do music gigs, play piano. How you doing? Good. I'm good. Sorry about that. But yeah, I work 3 jobs, like I said. Well, I have 3 jobs, 3 incomes. JetBlue, my auto detailing business, and my music business. All right, this is my 2011 X6M. It has a 4.4 liter twin turbocharged V8. And it makes 550 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. Said that right. 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. It's probably worth $25,000 right now, today's market. And this is the most expensive decision I've ever made. I bought this car 3 years ago and I was making way less money then. And I gotta tell you, it broke me financially. And here's the thing that no one talks about on YouTube. The real cost of owning a performance car when you're not rich. Everyone shows you the acceleration, exhaust sounds, luxury features. Nobody shows you what happens when you have $47 in your bank account and you need $87 to fill up your tank. No one talks about those service notifications, which I got right now. I just had a check engine light yesterday. I don't even know what it's for. I don't even want to know what it's for right now. But it's what I'm saying. No one talks about your service notifications when they randomly show up, check engine light, and you can't afford to fix whatever's wrong. And this is exactly why I'm starting this channel. All right, so let me break down some real numbers for you, because this information you're not gonna get anywhere else. So my car payment is $388 a month. My insurance, and this is a killer, $527 a month. $527 a month. $527 a month. So for gas, it only takes premium, and I fill up twice a week, and it's $80 a fill up, or pop. Every fill up is $80, full tank. So that's about $640 a month, right? In gas alone. Oil changes, which I actually need currently, it costs me like $200 if I do it myself. If I take it to a dealer, it's about $400. We haven't even talked about things that break, right? So just maintenance, insurance, gas. That's all we got so far, and car note, right? So if you add it all up, that's about $1,500 a month to own and drive this beast. I might be crazy, right? It's $1,500 a month. With my JetBlue salary, it will be impossible. So that's where my hustle comes in. So my detailing business pays for maintenance, and my music gig pays for fuel. You know, you gotta be strategic with every dollar when you live in this lifestyle. Now, you might be asking, Ray, if it's so expensive and so stressful, why not just sell it and get a Honda Civic? And that's a fair question, but let me tell you why I keep this car and why I'm willing to work 3 jobs just to afford it. Number 1. Nah, but this car represents everything I'm working towards. When I bought this car, I was making maybe $20 an hour, $21 an hour. But I saved every penny for 2 years. I ate ramen. I know it sounds cliche, but I ate ramen, mixed it up with eggs, a little sausage every now and then. I had grilled cheese sandwiches, peanut butter and jelly. And I drank a lot of water, and I worked doubles. So with my job at JetBlue, I can pick up shifts. So I would do 80-hour weeks, 60-hour weeks. And it used to be crazy, but I saved every penny, man. I sacrificed a lot. I did everything I could to get this car. It represents proof that I could achieve something big. Every time I start this engine, every time I feel that turbo kick in, that V8 supercharged, it brings me joy. But it also reminds me I'm capable of more than what people expect from someone with my background. This isn't just transportation. It's like motivational wheels, man. And now I got bigger dreams. So my goal for next year is to upgrade to a G80 M3. And this time I'm gonna do it right. No more living from paycheck to paycheck. No more overdrafting my account because of car expenses. I'm gonna scale up my detailing business, get a few employees, maybe another van, even a physical location. I see how hard I go. I even want to get into the two-row rental game. Get a fleet. Get a couple cars that pay for themselves. And this channel, I'm gonna use this channel to document my entire journey. Because here's what I realized. There's millions of people out there like me. People who love cars but don't come from money. People who have jobs and still have big dreams. People who are tired of watching rich kids on YouTube with daddy's money. This channel is for the working class car enthusiasts. This is for people who have to choose between fixing car and paying a rent, or fixing their car and paying that bill that's due on the 15th or on Friday. Like my situation. As a matter of fact, I don't even have gas right now, so let me turn off my AC for a little bit. This is for everyone who's ever been told your dream is too expensive for your income. So here's what you can expect from Ray's Garage NYC. We're gonna dive deep into the real cost of performance car ownership. Not just the sticker price, but the insurance, the maintenance, the gas, repairs, all of it. Then we're gonna follow my detailing business as it grows. You'll see client transformations. You'll learn techniques and see how this business funds my addiction. So this is my van. So this is my detailing van. It's a 08 Ford E150. We're gonna document our two-row venture from day one. I'll show you which cars don't work. I'll show you which cars do work. And I'm gonna show you exactly how much money you can make. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some fun too. POV drives, maybe car meets. I got a special build right here that I want to introduce to the channel too. I bought a 99 CRV. And I don't know if I want to build it or build it to daily it or what, but we're gonna figure it out as I figure it out on this channel. But everything will be real, everything will be honest. I'm not hiding anything. I'll show you the real, the bad, the ugly, and the expensive, all of it. And everything is gonna be from a perspective of someone that has to budget for gas. This isn't gonna be another channel with someone spending 50K on modifications. That's not this. This is more so about making smart moves and building wealth slowly and achieving your automotive dreams the right way. So if this sounds like something you want to be a part of, please hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, look out for us. We're going to be posting twice a week. Real people, real content. And I'll do day in the life. So I'll do POVs, detailing jobs. Like I said, I'm going to try and do my rental business venture. So I'll document all of that. If it works, if it fails, I'll show it all. So yeah, so this is Ray from Ray's Garage NYC, where we keep it real and we make it work. I'll see you on the next one.